Hold on to it, this feeling, and never let it go. Hold on to it, this feeling, and never let it go. I got this feeling inside me. I gotta let it out. I had to. This is my way of expressing myself. Can't hold it back anymore. It's time to meet the truth. This is my moment. This is my time to shine. There's a spark in you. It's time to let it shine.
Sing with me, guys.
I'm catching lightning in a bottle. 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 Hold on to it, this feeling, and never let it go. Hold on to it, this feeling, and never let it go. I got this feeling inside me. I gotta write it out. I need to. This is my way of expressing myself. Won't hold back anything, anyone. This time, it's time to do what's up. This is my moment. This is my time to shine. There's a spark in you. It's time to let it shine. I'm catching lightning in a bottle. 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 Hold on to it, this feeling, and never let it go. Hold on to it, this feeling, and never let it go. Hold on to it, this feeling, and never let it go. Hold on to it, this feeling, and never let it go.
All I gotta say is iconic performance right there. So yep, yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this one. Like, this song, I wanted to pay homage to my songwriting. And yeah, fun fact, I have been songwriting since I was 14, and I'm 25 now. So yeah, I've been writing songs for a decade now, and now I know what I know how to write good songs now. Okay, yep. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that performance, and stay tuned for more. The LUCApalooza tour, y'all. Love y'all. And stay cool.